All right, good morning.
Morning.
So what did we talk about yesterday, guys?
Housekeeping.
Housekeeping.
Housekeeping. We come up your
What
pillow.
What was the takeaway? Enough fluffing pillows.
Return the garbage out of the truck. Out of the truck.
Yep. Cleaned up
Ain't
daily.
gotta worry about it.
Exactly. And of course, I'll be looking a little bit more. Like I said yesterday, it's not really so much this launch. It's some people on the second launch today.
See how I've seen come out of their windows.
Yeah,
Who's
it's
inside?
kind of insane. But that brings me to the next thing. It has something to do with visibility too. Is we're talking about the R factor today. So can you guys walk me through what you do when you get ready to back up?
Push reverse or put reverse, you wait.
Or reversing, you check out I check out my camera and the 2 mirrors and I double check all 3 of them.
Yeah.
Just to make sure there's no.
Before you start back, yeah.
Why is it important to make sure that you put it into reverse before you do your scan?
That way you're hearing.
If there's someone behind you that alarm would, hopefully hear the alarm.
You're the backup one? Okay. Where are some spots that you guys would think it'd be good to actually hunt from one?
We have Peacock Alley.
Peacock Alley, definitely one-way alley into a street. That's one of the points where we're never supposed to back out to, right? Unless we absolutely have to, and we have to.
Any blind spots when you're back, someplace out, good place to.
When I'm going forward, if it's blind, I can't see the rail.
Yeah.
Yeah, same thing, right?
Yeah.
Because you're crossing over a pedestrian sidewalk into a street. That's a good time to do it as well. Why do we need to make sure that we cover our brake when we're back?
Quicker reaction rate is.
So how much of that information does our brain actually take? Do you guys remember that from videos? It takes us longer to react because our perception is different. Why do we have to cover backing so much? Why do you think?
It's the most dangerous maneuver we do.
It's 90% of our stuff.
It's, most of the incidents come from back.
There were 3 incidents last Friday. I'm not even gonna say where they're from, but basically one was due to rolling out of a container instead of putting it in reverse. There's no alarm basically going off, was one of the root causes. One was due to someone basically just running into it, and then another one was just ankle sprain. But it seems like we have a repetitive trend of backing being incidents. Remember November, we had 2, yeah, it was just 2, one into a pole, one into the back of a car, that was Tim. But the other camera wasn't. That was Tim Hoffman.
What are you backing to Clark?
Holiday gas station.
Oh, yeah, that's right. You try backing in between 2 cars.
Holiday.
That might be another place, you know. What are some parking lots for the most part that maybe are really congested? Think about that on your own. Or maybe you need to honk when you're backing around in the parking lot, because sometimes people come from where you don't see, especially like Holiday. Holiday's really bad, because you have traffic coming around the other side, traffic coming off the University. Clark's. Yeah. So what's the takeaway today, guys? What are some things that we can take from this and use in the day?
Make sure you do the 3-second rule for the R factor.
When does that 3 seconds start?
Once you put it in reverse.
Once you put it in reverse. Why is that important?
That's when your beepers start.
Your beep. So those should be the takeaways, right? Just so we know we're all doing it the same way, and then if we standardize something, it makes it easier to make sure that we're all being safe, right? So let's have a safe day. I will be following you out for the per trip.